Guys, hello. Later video for my trade analysis. So what I'll be doing is I've only got a few back testing trades that I've actually undertaken. So I've had quite a few cancelled orders, but I really only like to do the winning and losing ones because then it's really not me worth discussing the cancelled orders because there's not an actual trade there. So I think I've been umming and ahhing about including them, but I just don't think I will. So what we'll do here is we've got 1, 2, 3, and then, well, I think I went over the, I had a pound US dollar trade that I took, I believe it was early on in the week. I think it was it was a Tuesday. It was the Tuesday because it was after I filmed and uploaded Trade Talk, Pippin and Easy episode 24 with Conor Murphy. So, I might do like a weekly update. I might just do a weekly update, I will. But the reason for the later video was I had a safety course on today for work. So yes, it was the weekend. It ended up being like 7 till 3. There was theory, there was prac, there was, presentations, there was a lot of just great stuff. So what we'll do is here, guys, this is a break-even trade. So let's just go blue. I call this a scratching. I mean, on a $10,000 account, we've got a $5 odd loss. Now, what I did here was I took the trade. It was here. Now, a concern is as well when it pierces the band. So when it actually pierces the band, it can sort of mean it's a little overextended. But just with the price action, I liked it. It broke out here, and I felt like it was going to make a push, and I closed out too early. So I was thinking it's going to collapse here. It was weak, is what it was, because it actually went off. And so I'm going to save that up. And you just have to really be patient. Like, that's an area of mine that is weakness, and I've got to work on that. So, all right, and we'll deal with that later. All right, so 398. This was a full 2% loss. So you see what I mean? If you don't let the trade play out and you close it out with discretion and whatnot, and then you've got this issue where you've got a full 2% loss. So it's $5 of me being impatient lost to $200 where, I decided to be aggressive and be like, oh, I've left money on the table, let's just take this trade. I think the trade was valid. It was just, yeah, that's life. And, I could have closed out there and I didn't. So I'm sort of fiddling around with the rules and, I shouldn't do that. So it's a consequence. The reason, I could do a combined video. I think I will because it's going to be just be too quick and senseless. And then I had a full winner here, pretty much. I might have closed this bad boy out early as well. So I actually closed this out. I close it out if it breaks that midline of the Bollinger Band. So I can do that. And that's how I probably demo trade. Because I like taking my profits. I've got a real problem with that. So. Yeah, so this is the signal. Ideally, I should have gone here. So I was a little late. My tax return's coming soon as well, guys. I've had to wait on some investment information. I don't want to go into details, but they send their your tax report or whatever so that I can give it to the accountant. It's mid-October. I got it last year, so this year it should be about the same. So it's been a little frustrating because I'd like a new laptop. But yeah, a little late on that one. We'll save that up. It's profits though. I think it just trended a little sideways, and I don't think it actually traded any higher. All right, so we'll close that down, and then what we'll do is we'll open the account up. Apologies for not being prepared, guys. This will be quick though. It's just one trade. We'll do thingamajigs too. We'll do my FX book. This is just a transparent website where I can link my to my account. So the trades I take are shown, and my results. It's all very transparent. I'm sure you can manipulate it, but why would I manipulate it to reflect? I wouldn't call them great results, honestly. I wouldn't. So it's not like I'm selling a product here. I'm just documenting my journey. So. You know, you be the judge. Obviously, you can do whatever you want on the internet. So if this is legitimate, it's my account. I gotta find it. It's a bit late as well. I had a nap as well that blew out a little bit, but I definitely needed the sleep because it was just getting a little. You know, I stayed up last night, then I got up early, so for the course, not seeing it. Putrid. Alright. Gonna log in. Pound, buy trade. And I was looking at this, and this is bounce. So I was talking about this last night, perhaps. I probably was. We'll get the account history up. Was it the pound? So when did I take the pound trade? The pound sell was the 8th. So the 8th was the 12th today. It was Tuesday. It was Tuesday. So it was around $45 or so. Yeah, Tuesday. Okay. Alright, we'll log in here, guys, and I'll just bring this across. Oh, you beautiful. Okay. Activity. No, look, I'm not about the auto trade. I would strongly advise, guys, if you're not experienced with Forex stuff and you just run an auto bot, you just be extremely careful with that because it's not. Alright, so we'll have the, what about the profit? Alright, so we had a bit of a dip down there, but, you know, we're not at all-time highs, actually. We'd have been, you know, close to 300, but I actually let that EURUSD trade run into, what was it, FOMC, I think. And I got slammed this month. So we're down 15. So we're down a little bit this month with that Euro trade because it was $60. I'll just bring that up. I'll just bring that up. Yeah, so I got slammed on that. And that was up about $50 as well if you watch my videos. So sometimes, you know, if there's money there, you know, but then it could have just been great results. And it was actually better than expected. So it was good US data. So the euro weakened. So I had a buy trade. So that's why that happened. We'll go to the pound here. We'll bring up my trade. I think I did a screen grab. Let's get a screen grab. I'll close this down. But this is where I'm sitting at now, guys. So if we go to trade. So I'm up a little bit. My original account was 5,000 as well. But this only is reflecting from about May. So as you can see, I'm down a little bit, but you know, that's trading. You know, this is pretty nice, honestly, for a novice trader. So, you know, that's not too bad. And these things happen. So again, you know, not quitting the day job quite yet. So, all right, so we'll close that down. We'll get some. It's good for me just to reflect on, you know, things sometimes, and it's been a pretty hectic day. So I just come on the computer and do what I do on a Saturday night. If this is like, if you find it infuriating to do this, then you're probably not going to be a good trader. So I really enjoy doing this. Alright, so that needs to be Oanda account. No, we don't want the statement. That'd be my live account. We don't want to doing that. Not a lot of activity on that, to be honest. There it is. And back testing. Don't know why I got my live account. Win trades, and it would be the pound. Well, I took the screen grab with when I was fucking running the. Oh, here it is. Okay. All right. So this is a pretty quick, you know, wham bam. Thank you, man. I was only open around 50 minutes or so because I got in at 4:46 in the afternoon, closed out not even an hour. You know, it's like 52 minutes. And this was breaking down. There wasn't expansion, but I just saw this and, you know, I liked it. So that was the trade, guys. Sometimes, and there was support here as well. So sometimes you've just got to, you know, you can justify taking profits if, you know there's probably going to be, like, there's a high probability. You know there's got room to move. You can get your profits and go, you know, so, or you just let it hang around. So I just felt, you know, that was what I was going to do, and that's how it played out. Okay. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching, and I'll upload this straight away. And I'll try and do a backtest video. I'll be doing my penny stocking update next. All right. So then maybe backtesting up. Thanks, guys. Bye.